Hi everyone, this is Amarnath Anand, BTech from IIT Delhi, and you must have seen the thumbnail. That is all about the factorization of AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC. This is a very important factorization which we have all learned and memorized, and we all know that this can be factorized like a plus b plus c into multiplied by a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Might be it is possible you must have seen the factorization also, okay, how it is done, and sometimes without even seeing how it is factorized, we just learn it, we just memorize it. So today I am going to tell you the three different ways in which this can be factorized. So this is going to be a very important session and it is going to give you really new insight. So let's begin with it, because this factorization is a very important factorization whenever we talk about JEE or we are talking about different maths olympiads. This is a very useful factorization. Let's see. So we all know AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC and how it is used. So let us see AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC. So first factorization. So if we will see the first way of factorizing AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC, the first way of factorization is simple algebraic identity of a plus b whole raised to the power 3. So if you will see a plus b whole raised to the power 3, this is going to be AQ plus BQ plus 3AB, 3 times AB multiplied by a plus b. So what is AQ plus BQ from here? AQ plus BQ is going to be a plus b whole raised to the power 3 minus 3 times AB multiplied by a plus b. Now we are adding CQ minus 3ABC on both sides and let's see what happens. Now this is a plus b plus AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC. And now this is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab multiplied by a plus b, and then we are adding CQ minus 3abc on both sides. So this is CQ minus 3abc. Now you all can see we can club these two, a plus b whole cube plus c cube. So this is nothing but x cube plus y cube. How you write x cube plus y cube? X cube plus y cube will have two factors, we all know, x plus y multiplied by x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, so we are using this particular formula in this a plus b whole cube plus c cube. We are assuming this a plus b as x and this as y. So this is x cube plus y cube and this is going to be x plus y whole cube, and then multiplied by a factor of x square. X square is going to be, guys, a plus b whole square, then is going to be minus of x into y, that is going to be minus of a plus b into c, and then finally plus c square. And what we are left with is these two terms. So you all can see what is common from these two terms. I am writing it here. These two terms will give you minus 3ab in common, and then is a plus b plus c. I hope you all can see this is going to be minus 3ab into a plus b, and this is going to be a plus b plus c. This is a x plus y factor, sorry. I hope it is clear. This is x plus y and this is x square minus xy plus y square. There was a cube root, that was mistyping. Now you can see a plus b plus c is common from these two, and what we are left with is a plus b whole square, that is going to be a square plus b square plus 2ab, and then is minus a plus b times c. So this is minus ac minus bc, and then it is plus c square. And if you have taken a plus b plus c as common, so the left term is minus 3ab. And now you can all see we have reached that factorization of a plus b plus c multiplied by a square plus b square, there is a c square term, then 2ab minus 3ab is going to be minus ab, this is minus bc and minus ca. We are all done with this factorization. through the first method, that is AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC can be factorized as A plus B plus C multiplied by this term. So this is our first method. Now let's see how this can be factorized in the second method. We can see there is a cube written over here, A cube, B cube, C cube. So I am going to factorize this using some equation. And if we are going to use equation for the factorization of this particular expression, we will need a cubic equation. So I am first going to write a cubic equation whose roots are A, B and C. So this is going to be x cube minus sum of the roots one at a time, that is going to be A plus B plus C S1, we all remember, x square, plus sum of the roots two at a time, that is A, B, B, C, C, A times x and minus of A, B, C. What we have written? We have written equation whose roots are A, B and C. Now definitely we all can understand if A, B, C are roots, they must satisfy the equation. So if A is a root, I can write A cube minus A plus B plus C multiplied by A square plus AB plus BC plus CA into A minus ABC equal to 0. And cyclically we can write कि B is a root, so we can write B cube minus A plus B plus C into B square. Then comes AB plus BC plus CA multiplied by B minus ABC. You all can see कि A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is soon going to form. Then comes C cube minus A plus B plus C into C square, and then comes AB plus BC plus CA. I think it is going to be very interesting. Minus ABC equals 0. What we need to do now is just add all the three equations and hopefully we are done. You can all see this is A cube plus B cube plus C cube, right? Very interesting. Minus A plus B plus C. You can see minus A plus B plus C will be common from these three terms, and remaining is A square plus B square plus C square. Oh my god, this is done. Plus you can see AB plus BC plus CA is common. And then again, this is going to be A plus B plus C, and what is the last term? Minus ABC minus 3ABC equals 0. I hope we will take these two terms on the left hand side, that is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC, and then you can transfer this term and this term on the right hand side. So this minus will become plus and this plus will become minus, and A plus B plus C is going to be common. So this is A plus B plus C multiplied by A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. So I hope we are done. So this is a very simple method in which we can factorize A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. So this was the second method. The third method which we are going to see is going through determinant. We all have heard about the cyclic determinant in ABC. We all can see this determinant ABC, BCA, CAB. Now we are going to open it in two different ways and you will see your factorization is just done. Let's see how. We are expanding it along row 1. So if we'll expand along row 1, of course you need to know how this is opened. So we are expanding it along row number 1. So this is going to be A times. This is going to be BC minus A square. Then comes minus B times. Then comes minus B times B square minus AC. And finally we will get C times AB minus C square. So guys, this is going to be ABC. One more ABC. And there is one more ABC. So this is 3ABC, and then is minus A cube. Then comes minus B cube minus C cube. So this is the first way in which we can open this particular determinant. We are going to expand it now by simplifying this particular determinant. We are going to again open this determinant by some simplification. Let's do this simplification. let's apply this thing. R1 goes R1 plus R1, R1 plus R2 plus R3. If R1 goes R1 plus R2 plus R3, what is this? This is A plus B plus C. Right, guys? This is going to be B plus C plus A. And finally, this is going to be C plus A plus B. And this is going to be BCA. And then is going to be CA and B. So guys, what you can see, the first row will have A plus B plus C common. And the remaining determinant is going to be 1, 1, 1, B, C, A, C, A, B. So what we can do now, we can just open it along row 1. How we can open this? This is A plus B plus C. This is 1 times BC minus A square. Then is minus 1 times B square minus AC. Minus 1 times B square minus AC I am writing orally. This is going to be AC minus B square. And then comes AB minus C square. Right? So this has been factorized as A plus B plus C multiplied by this. Now we have opened the same determinant in this form as well as in this form. So what we can say is these two must be equal. Now we are equating the two and you will get 3ABC minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube is equal to A plus B plus C and then multiplied by BC plus AC plus AB minus A square minus B square minus C square. So multiply by a minus sign here and it will give you A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC as A plus B plus C, and there will be a minus sign in this bracket, so this will be A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. So guys, we are done and hopefully you must have enjoyed this particular session, and I will come with more videos like this, so do subscribe the channel. Thank you.